Organizing kitchen cabinets is a big challenge for lots of homeowners. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a solution that's quick, simple, and inexpensive right after this. Is keeping out the cold on your to-do list? With Duck brand weatherization products, you can quickly and easily make your home more comfortable and efficient, saving you energy dollars along the way. Duck brand's affordable product line includes a roll-on window kit that comes in different sizes and strengths, including standard and max strength. These kits create a weather-tight seal with no hassle and no measuring. That's my kind of DIY project. To learn more and find a retailer near you, visit duckbrand.com. Do you ever wince as you open a cabinet door because you never know what will fall out? That's because most cabinets are just big open spaces filled with items of various unique shapes and sizes. One way to divide the space and create hanging surfaces is to use a tension rod designed for hanging curtains. These rods are spring-loaded so they easily wedge in place between two flat surfaces. Use them vertically inside a cabinet to support and separate pans, plates, and other dishware. Or you can use them horizontally under the kitchen sink to hang spray bottles and dish towels for cleaning. Positioned close to the back wall of the cabinet, they even make good shelves for small items like spice bottles. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.